Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today I would like to continue our lecture. So we continue to the chapter 4. Sorry, this is should be chapter 4. With the title Triple Integral. So in the triple integral, we learned about the first one is rectangular integral. The second one is triple integral with function. And then we continue to the using the polar coordinates. So the polar coordinates should be for the spherical integral and also the cylindrical integral. Okay, the first one. So I think this is the easiest one. So the integral, the triple integral using the rectangular. What the meaning rectangular? So means the boundary of the x-axis, y-axis, and also z-axis should be defined. So it should be in the constanta or in the numbers. So as mentioned in here, so it means x is from the x1 until x2, and also y it comes from y1 until y2, and also z is from z1 until z2. So the rectangular means this one. So will be define the boundary will be as the constanta or as the number. So using the Riemann sum, so we will get this one. This is should be the volume of the rectangle. Okay, the volume of the rectangle. So this is from the equation. So we will get this one. The integral of the f x y z times dv should be equal limit of the summation. Okay, if the x is from a until b, y from the c until d, and also z from r until s, so we will get the integral is f x y z dx is a until b, dy is c until d, and dz so from r until s. Okay, so this is the equation of the triple integral. So actually this is same with the rectangular in the double integral. So we just find the result. For example, we have the equation evaluate the triple integral with triple integral x y z square, where b is the rectangular box. Means x is from 0 until 1, y is from the -1 until 2, and z from 0 until 3. So we have this equation. The triple integral of x, y, and z square times dv is equal. So this is the order is dx, dy, and dz. So x, y, z square. X is from 0 until 1, y is from the -1 until 2, and also z is 0 until 3. Okay, so the integral, so we will solve the problem one by one. So the integral x, y, z square times dx first. So it means the first one we have to find the integral of x, y square order to dx. Okay, so the integral of x for this equation should be a half x square times y times z square. Why this one? Because y and z square should be as the constanta. Okay, so we got this one, x square times y times z square over 2 from 0 until 1, 0 until 1. If we input 1, so the result is y times z square over 2. If we input 0, so the result is 0. So it means y times z square over 2 minus 0, then the result is y times z square over 2. Okay, next is we have to find this integral, the integral of y or dy. So the integral of y in here, so z is as the constanta, so still this one, z square. So the integral of y over 2, it means 1 over 4 y square, 1 over 4 y square. Okay, so we got this integral is y square times z square over 4. Then y is from the -1 until 2. Sorry, this is should be correct. There is the correction in here. Y from the -1 until 2. Then we input here. When we input y equal to, so the result is 2 square 4 times z square over 4. Then the result is z square. If we input minus 1, then minus 1 square times z square over 4. Then the result is z square over 4. So z square minus 1 over 4 z square over 4. Then the result is 3 over 4 z square. Next, the last step is we have to find the integral to the dz. So the integral of dz in here 3 over 4 z square. So we will get this result is 3 times z square over 3 times 4. Then 3 with the 3 will be deleted. So we will get z power 3 over 4. Z power 3 over 4. And also z is from 0 until 3. If we input here, when the condition z equal 3, then the 3 power 3, 27 over 4, minus when input 0, then 0 power 3 over 4, then the result is 0. Then the result is 27 over 4. So this is for the first example in the rectangular. For the rectangular, you can also change the order. For example, if you want to put dy in front, so means x, y, z square dy, dx, dz. So in here not 0 until 1, but the boundary of here. So minus 1 until 2. And if in here dx, so from 0 until 1. If in here dz is from 0 until t. Then you can solve one by one. We solve from the front until the end. Okay. Next, we learn about for the second section, we learn about the triple integrand with the defined function. What the meaning defined function? If we have in here, so we have three type of the region. The first type, when the condition z, the function of x and y. The second type should be if the x function of the y and z. And the third last type, when the condition y is the function of x and z. Okay, so the first type region, when the condition z is the function of x and y. So in here z is from the function u1 to the function u2. Okay, from the u1 until u2. Since z is function of x and y, so z should be in the front. Okay, in the front. If we change the order, z in the behind, so should be, there is the problem to finding the solution. Okay, so okay, next is, since the z is function of this one x and y, so next is we divide it by two condition. If we have the condition this one, the condition of this one, if the x, okay, the function of x, the function of y, the y in here should be function of x. So it means this one, y is from g1x to the g2x. And also for the x is should be constanta from here, from a until b. So we have this one, the region. Z is from the function u1 xy to the u2 xy, and y, this is the correction, there is the correction, y is from the g1x to the g2x, and also x should be from a until b. So how to find this integral? So we have to using this order, z, y, x. So it means this one, fxyz dz dy dx. dz, z is from the u1 until u2, dy from g1 until g2x, and also dz from a until b. For the second for the second condition, if the x is function of the y. For example, in here z is from the u1, z in here from the u1 until u2, okay, z is from the u1 until the u2. And also next is for the x, for the x is from here, x is from the here, x is from the sorry, x is from the h1 y to the h2 y. Okay, x from the h1 a y to the h2 x, and also y it from the here from the c until d. Okay, so we have this region. Z is from the u1 until u2, and also x from the h1 until h2, and y is from the c until d. So we have the integral is this one, fxyz dz times dx. Z is from the u1 until u2, dx is from the h1 until h2 y, and also dy from the c until d. Okay, for example, the question. So we would like to find the this result. Evaluate the triple integral z times dv, where E is the solid tetrahedron bounded by the four plane x equals 0, y equals 0, z equals 0, and also x plus y plus z equal 1. So this is the tetrahedron. So the first one, x equals 0 is in here, x equals 0 in here, and also y equal here in here, and also z equals 0 in here. And also they bounded by this one, x plus y plus z equal 1. So this should be the plane. When the condition y equals 0 and z equals 0, x equal 1. When the condition x equals 0, y equals 0, and z will be 0. When the condition x and z 0, so y is 1. So this is the surface of this equation. Okay, next we have to find the boundary, the first boundary. So we can get this one, z in here, z is from 0, that means here z is from 0 until here. Okay, z is from 0 until here, so it means z from 0 until 1 minus x minus y. So z is from 0 until 1 minus x minus y. Next, when the condition for the y, the boundary of y, so should be y with the x. Y with the x should be this triangle. Okay, y will be this triangle. This triangle should be the y is from here. Y is from, when the condition y equals 0 until until this line, so should be in this line. We will get y equal in, because this one is when the condition z equals 0, so just put here 0. So it means y equal 1 minus x, 1 minus x. So it means the y is from 0 until 1 minus x, and for the x is from 0 until here 1, from 0 until 1. Okay, so we got this boundary. After we got the boundary, then we can solve the problem. So the triple integral of z should be this one, dz times dy times dx, from 0 until 1 minus x minus y, from the 0 dy from the 0 until 1 minus x, and dx from 0 until 1. Okay, next. Okay, next, if we have this integral. After we have this integral, next is we solve one by one the integral of z times dz. So the integral is a half z square, Next is we input here, when the condition z equal 1 minus x minus y, then input. So the result is 1 minus x minus y square over 2. Okay, over 2 minus, when the condition this one z equals 0, then input here. So we got the result is 0. So it means 1 minus x minus y square over 2 minus 0. And so in here we separate a half in here, become in the front. Okay, so a half time this integral. Next, after we got the integral of dz, so we want to find the integral of the y. The integral of the y should be, this is using the using the substitution, using the integral substitution. So we will get this integral, the integral substitution. So 1 minus x minus y square. So since this one is power 1, the y is power 1, so just put here, this is 2 will be increased, will be 3 over 3 times the derivative of minus y, means minus 1. So this one, so the integral is minus times this one, 1 minus x minus y minus y power 3 over 3 when y from 0 until 1 minus x. So when the condition y equal minus x, if we input here, the result is 0 minus 0 minus minus, so should be positive 1 minus x minus, when the condition y equals 0, then put here 0, 1 minus x minus 0 power 3 over 3. So the result is this one, 1 minus x over 1 minus x power 3 over 3. So next, same in the previous, 3 will be separate in the front, so a half times 3, then the result is 1 over 6. 1 over 6 integral from 0 until 1 minus x power 3 dx. Next we find this integral, same, since this one is power 1, so we can using the substitution, 1 minus x power 4 over 4 over 4, okay, over 4. Then we got this minus because the derivative of minus x, the derivative of minus x is minus 1, so 1 minus x power 4 over 4 from the 0 until 1. So when we input the here 1, so 0 over 4 power 4 over 4, so the result is 0, minus minus, so positive 1 minus 0 power 4 1 over 4, then the result is 1 over 4. 1 over 4 times 1 over 6, then the result is 1 over 24. Okay, for the next type, there is two type region, remaining two type. The second type region, when the condition x is function of fx, the function of yz, x is the function of the yz, this is also x is the function yz. So here, if you have find this one, so this is the function of yx. Okay, so x is from here, x is from the u1 function in here, u1 yz to the u2 yz, so the x should be in the front. For the third type region, we have this one, y the function of x and z, so it means y it forms this one, u1 xz, and also to the u2 xz, so the dy should be in the front. For the example, we would like to find this one, evaluate the triple integral x square plus y, root square of x square plus y square times dv, where E is the region bounded by the paraboloid y equal x square plus z square, and the plane when the condition y equal 4. If we using the type 1, so the meaning is the type 1, so the meaning is, so this one, y is from here, so the y should be here, y is should be here, sorry, y comes from here when the plane I'm sorry, using the type 1, so the result should be this one, type 1, meaning the z should be function of the function of x and y, so we can change this one, z square is equal y minus x square. The meaning is z should be equal positive or minus root square of y minus x square, okay. So the meaning is, because this is as the z function of this one, so z in here from the below to the up. Sorry, I have to change my charger. Okay, for the z in here should be the region this one. Okay, so z should be the region of this one, the region when the condition this one. Okay, from the minus y minus x square to y minus x square. And also for the y in here should be move this one. So it means with the y and x with this parabol. Okay, with this parabol, meaning the meaning is y in here. Okay, so the meaning is y is from the this curve is y equal x square. So from the x square until 4, from the x square until 4, and the x is from here until here. When this condition, so since in here y equal 4 and this curve is x square, so the meaning is in here x equal 2, right? Minus 2, x equal minus 2 in here, and in here x equal 2. So it means this one, x from the minus 2 until 2. So to solve this problem should be very difficult if using the type 1. So you have to choose using the type 3. Please try it if we use the type 3. What the meaning of the type 3? The type 3 is this one. You have to change from the function of this one. Y is the function of this one. Okay, please solve this problem. Y from here until this circle, okay, should be the function of this circle. Okay, so you have to find when the condition that one. Next, after that you have to change the x and z when this condition. So please try to using type 3 to solve this problem. We will discuss about it. Write your answer, and also we will discuss for the result using the type 3 to solve this problem. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.